Hi guys, I am Mukhtar Joya, Director General Shaheen Short and System, Judiciary Notes, page number 7 and 8, dictation speed 100 words per minute. If you want dictation at 80 words per minute, then set speed on 0.75, and if you want dictation at 120 words per minute, then set speed on 1.25. Ready, start. In cases of dissolution of marriage, it had to consume years, and after getting the decree, by that time, majority of the wives had to become grey-haired and much beyond the remarriageable age, beside incurring heavy expenses on getting the relief with regard to a meager amount of maintenance, doer, etc. It was in the above background that the legislature felt essential to provide for establishment of family courts to deal with all matrimonial disputes, mentioned above, in an expeditious manner, curtailing the life of litigation in such cases, to curb and suppress the mischief of delaying tactics on the part of unscrupulous husbands. Several amendments were introduced to the Family Court Act 1964, Some amendments bearing striking features may be cited below, case to be disposed of within a specified period, A family court shall dispose of a case including a suit for dissolution of marriage within a period of 6 months from the date of institution, provided that where a case is not disposed of within 6 months, either party shall have a right to make an application to the High Court for necessary direction as the High Court may deem fit. This newly enacted provision was with the object to curb the mischief of delaying tactics, and the Family Court was brought under obligation to pass interim order directing the husband to pay interim maintenance allowance to the children and the wife after filing written statement or at any stage thereafter. The provision of Section 21A was also added to the Family Court Act, conferring power upon Family Court to preserve and protect any property which is in dispute in a suit or any other property of a party to the suit for the future satisfaction of the decree. To further accelerate and expedite the disposal of such cases, the District Appeal Court and the High Court, orders staying the proceedings before the Family Court shall cease to be effective on expiring of 30 days time. Again, through amendment, it was made mandatory for the Court of Appeal to decide the case positively within 4 months, keeping in view the clear and manifest intention and object of the legislature by drastically amending the provisions of the Family Court Act. A division bench of the Peshawar High Court, after elaborately dealing with the same, held that by now the Family Court alone has exclusive jurisdiction to deal with all the matrimonial disputes of whatever nature, irrespective of territorial jurisdiction, provided that the Family Court where the wife resides shall have the jurisdiction to entertain such suits or claims. The view held by the division bench of the Peshawar High Court was not set aside by the Supreme Court. Thus, the same had attained finality and has got strong persuasive effects which cannot be lightly ignored, full stop, keeping in view the agonies of the parties, particularly the wife, in matrimonial disputes to curtail the mischief of delay and to shorten the life of litigation. In such cases, the Law and Justice Commission of Pakistan recommended to the federal government and all the provincial governments to establish family courts in each district and tehsil headquarter, which shall be preferably presided over by a female judge, so that the wives who are not well acquainted and familiar with the court proceedings are provided maximum protection and friendly environments, full stop, to provide quicker relief to the wife. Amendments were also made in the relevant provisions where dissolution of marriage is sought on the basis of khula, that on failure of conciliation efforts made by the family court at preliminary stage, the family court is invested with powers to dissolve the marriage. Stop reading, please.